Gemini, Google's latest AI challenging GPT-4. Today, I've got some groundbreaking news that will surely amaze you. Google is set to revolutionize the industry with its latest AI project, Gemini. This AI is on par with ChatGPT and GPT-4 in terms of understanding and generating natural language. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this, so stick around till the end of the video. Now, let's dive into what Gemini is all about. It's Google's newest venture in the realm of large language models, with its full name being Generalized Multimodal Intelligence Network. Gemini is a mega-powerful AI system designed to handle multiple types of data and tasks simultaneously, including text, images, audio, video, 3D models, and graphs. It excels at tasks like question answering, summarization, translation, captioning, and sentiment analysis. What sets Gemini apart is that it's not just a single model, it's a network of models working collaboratively for optimal results. Now, let's explore how Gemini operates. It utilizes a novel architecture that combines a multimodal encoder and a multimodal decoder. The encoder converts various data types into a common language that the decoder can understand. The decoder then generates outputs in different modalities based on the encoded inputs and the specific task at hand. For example, if the input is an image and the task is to generate a caption, the encoder turns the image into a vector capturing its features, and the decoder produces a text output describing the image. Gemini boasts several advantages over other large language models like GPT-4. It's highly adaptable, handling any data and task without requiring specialized models or fine-tuning. Additionally, it can learn from any domain and data set without being confined by predefined categories. This adaptability allows Gemini to tackle new and unseen scenarios more efficiently. Moreover, Gemini is more efficient overall, using fewer computational resources and memory, especially when dealing with multiple modalities. It employs a distributed training strategy, making the most out of multiple devices and servers to accelerate the learning process. A remarkable feature of Gemini is its ability to scale up to larger datasets and models without compromising performance or quality. When considering size and complexity, a common metric for large language models is parameter count. Parameters are numerical variables that represent the learned knowledge of the model. In comparison to GPT 3.5 with 175 billion parameters, GPT-4 has a colossal 1 trillion parameters, making it one of the largest language models ever created. For Gemini, Google offers it in 4 sizes: Gecko, Otter, Bison, and Unicorn. While exact parameter counts are undisclosed, hints suggest that Unicorn, likely the largest size, is comparable to GPT-4 in terms of parameters, possibly slightly less. Oh, and before I showcase a few examples of Gemini's capabilities, I want to highlight that Gemini stands out for being more interactive and creative compared to other large language models. It can produce outputs in different modalities based on user preferences and has the ability to generate novel and diverse outputs that aren't constrained by existing data or templates. For instance, Gemini can create original images or videos based on text descriptions or sketches, and even craft stories or poems based on images or audio clips. Now, let's discuss how Gemini, while not necessarily outsmarting, excels in tasks that are more varied and extensive than GPT-4. Here are a few examples. Gemini showcases its prowess in multimodal question answering, handling questions that involve multiple types of data, such as text and images. For instance, it can respond to queries like who is the author of this book, while displaying an image of a book cover, or what is the name of this animal, while showing an image of a creature. Gemini combines its understanding of both text and visuals to answer these questions. Another impressive feat is multimodal summarization. Imagine you have information composed of different data types, like text and audio. For instance, you might want to summarize a podcast episode or a news article by generating a short text summary or an audio summary. Gemini can achieve this by leveraging its skills in textual and auditory comprehension. Gemini also excels in multimodal translation, particularly when you need to translate information involving multiple types of data like text and video. It can generate subtitles for a video lecture or dub content in another language by combining its skills in textual and visual translation. Additionally, Gemini shines in multimodal generation, where it can create information involving multiple data types, like generating an image based on a text description or a sketch. It can also generate text based on an image or a video clip by combining its skills in textual and visual generation. However, what truly stands out for me is Gemini's ability in multimodal reasoning. This means it can combine information from different data types and tasks to make assumptions. For instance, if you show it a clip from a movie, Gemini can answer complex questions about the movie's main theme by synthesizing information from multiple modalities. This allows Gemini to discern recurring patterns, understand character interactions, and uncover hidden messages or meanings in a movie, providing a comprehensive understanding of the film's main idea or message. These examples only scratch the surface of Gemini's potential. The technology is incredibly powerful and versatile. Looking ahead, it's evident to me that Google is likely to pose a real challenge to GPT-4 and possibly GPT-5 in the coming years with its multimodal approach. This suggests we can expect more applications and services leveraging Gemini's capabilities to enhance user experiences and provide innovative solutions. We might see the emergence of personalized assistants that understand and respond in different modalities, as well as creative tools facilitating content generation in various forms. Alright, those are my thoughts on Google's Gemini. To clarify, I'm not an overly enthusiastic fan of Google. I'm simply sharing my opinions based on research, reading, and observations. I hope this video has been informative, and if you've learned something new, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.